Happy Valentine's. I'm Kendrick, and we're cooking for love, and we have a wonderful thing today. We've got a beautiful dish that's simple to make, that is healthy for losing weight after the first of the year, and it's something you can take to a party, take to the office. You can have it at home with your sweetie. So we're looking forward to showing that to you.
Happy Valentine's Day,
Happy
Valentine's.
We're Valentine's. We're friends.
I'm Kathleen Hall, and I'm CEO and mother of the Mindful Living Network. Okay, here's the short intro for me, baby. I don't do Thanksgiving and Christmas. Too much family. Too political. 4th of July drives me crazy. I almost feel schizoid.
Yeah.
And then you can do Easter, but Easter bunny stuff and all that, fertility in the Catholic Church. Okay, this is my holiday. So to share this holiday with this amazing chef and to see what she has unfolded in her gifts. This is her gift and her grace to the world. And here she is, and I am just the flunky standing here.
I don't think so. I'm very honored to be with you and be here. So we're going to get to it. What I love about the recipe, what I think you're going to like about it, is it's very simple. It's just like you throw some ingredients together, kind of like making a sauce, and then you throw in your cooked shrimp, and then you put them on this wonderful endive that looks like this when you have it all cut up. So it's like a little serving piece. And that's it.
Insert here, if you are from the South. When I went to Publix and Kroger, I called it that French name, and they did not know what I meant. But when I said Endive,
they
took me right to it.
Isn't it amazing?
For those of you who are not educated like she is, I grew up on a farm.
You were pretty sophisticated. Oh, so here we go. So all we're going to do is we're going to start out with some mayonnaise, which is going to be our binding agent and give it the creaminess that we love. And then we're going to add a little bit of lemon juice. And the lemon juice is going to really give it a wonderful tangy flavor.
Now, Kendrick, people don't have a real respect. You worked in France, and I actually worked with Unilever in France. Mayonnaise is such a beautiful thing.
It is.
Isn't it?
It's wonderful.
And isn't it one of the most versatile things?
It really is. You can put it in everything from hot to cold.
It's got a bad rep with calories or fat, and people aren't using it anymore.
It does.
Come on.
Got to use it.
You got to use it.
Got to use it. So we've got some wonderful spices. I kind of did a mixture. You can also find this in the internet as seafood spice. But all I did was put some nice herbs in it, like dill, and I did some oregano, I did some thyme, I did a little basil, of course, salt and pepper. So all that together really smells good. It's nice. So after we have our base and we have all of our seasonings, then I'm going to add some pimentos for color and gives it a little more liquid. We're going to add some diced celery, and then we're going to have green onions. You got to have some green onions to kind of give it a little kick.
Sorry for that.
Isn't it? That's the crunches and it gives it a pretty look. That is it. I sauteed the shrimp. Now, if you're in a hurry and you don't have time, you could buy cooked shrimp, but I took 5 minutes. And basically, when you saute shrimp, you ought to do it with the same spice that you have in the salad because you're adding a new ingredient, and you don't want to dilute what you've got. So this is it. We mix this up. It's beautiful. I don't know if you can see how pretty the colors are. It's got the pink of the shrimp, the green of the celery, and it's got the red of the little pimento. And then basically, after this is done, we just take a little spoon and we add it to our endive. And just like that, it's really pretty. It's very shiny with all the sauce that we created, and you're going to have a bite, Kathleen. I want to know what you think.
Absolutely have a bite.
I want to know what you think of it. And I'm going to show you all how this looks, too.
I don't care what they call the lettuce.
It's good. It's just good. So I don't know if you can see it, but look at how beautiful that is. And when you want to serve it, look at what we did here. We have, Katherine's so cute. She got these wonderful heart-shaped plates. And look at how beautiful that looks. And all I did was put a little fresh basil on top. So you can do it in red, pink, white for Valentine's. And look at how beautiful it is. No one has that.
And isn't that nice through Mother's Day? Anything, you can just change the plates, right? And it changes the motif. This is absolutely delightful. And again, what I also love, a lot of us are trying to cut back after the first of the year, or even, and protein is huge for us women's brains, amino acids. So this is absolutely delightful.
Thank you so much.
And the shrimp adds a little filling to it. So you
It
don't feel
does.
empty like a
It
salad.
does. It does. And I love that. Don't you taste the lemon in it? And it gives it a
Oh.
little bit of clean kick to it. So it's really fun. So I hope you'll try it. You know.
And also, I love, this is basil.
Oh, it's so
I love
good.
basil, so I might put a little
Well,
blanket
you can
on mine.
certainly take it.
Put a little blanket on my baby.
It looks so good.
It does look so good.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining us.
Thank you so much.
And please, 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 okay? I know I used to be a minister, but this is a benediction. Go out into the world and bring love, okay? No matter what anybody does to you, just think, I am a love bug, okay? It's
the month of
Valentine's.
love.
It's time to be loved.
It is.
And we love you at the Mindful Living Network.
We do. Thank you for joining us and spread the love. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.